If you're trying to make money with affiliate marketing, you have probably been dragged into the biggest debate in the industry, and that is low ticket offers versus high ticket offers. Which one is better? One side tells you to sell $7 to $20 products, and another side tells you to sell $300 to $1,000 product. This because they are easier to sell, and this because they make massive commissions, massive amount of money a pop. Now here's the truth that nobody is really telling you. I have actually invested a lot of time in affiliate marketing, and after a lot of experience, I can tell you that both the models itself is fundamentally broken. So in the next few minutes, I'm actually going to show you the flaw in both the systems and also show you the hybrid strategy, the exact way that you can use low ticket offer, think $3, to automatically sell, right? Automatically sell these high ticket offers without any friction, without ever making a sales call or chasing people on Facebook, Instagram and DMing them and chatting with them and wasting a lot of time. Let's look at the logic here first up, right? So if you choose low ticket here, you are stepping onto a treadmill that never stops. Now, if you think about it, to make $3,000 per month, that is $100 per day, right? If you're selling a $20 offer, you need to actually make 5 sales every single day and total of 150 sales in order to make that $3,000 per month. Unless you're going viral on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, wherever, or you're spending a lot of money, thousands on ads, unless you're doing this, you are actually going to burn out just running on that treadmill while trying to get that many traffic to your funnel, to your offers. So now you go ahead and switch to, like, you are doing this, you are not satisfied. Now you are switching to high ticket, right? You go ahead and grab an affiliate link for a $700 product, for example, and put it in your bio. But then you hit a brick wall called trust barrier, right? You're asking a total stranger from the internet to hand over $700 immediately. Guess what? They are going to run away from you. The conversion rate on cold traffic for a high ticket offer is practically zero. And for that, to make the high ticket offer work, you actually need to spend hours, right? Hours on DMs, on calls, right? Awkward Zoom calls to convince people to buy from you. And if you're an introvert like me, that's kind of a nightmare. And this is why smart affiliates refuse to choose one side, whether to go for a low ticket or a high ticket offer. So in the end, we use something called a hybrid model here. What do I mean by hybrid? So instead of choosing between the ease of selling low ticket offers or the massive profits of high ticket, we actually combine them. We use a low ticket offer. For example, we use a $3 offer, and that $3 offer is the low ticket, right? So when a person purchases that, it's very easy to sell this because the barrier is not there anymore, because that's just a $3 offer. It's less than a cup of coffee, right? So when a person goes through this $3 offer and goes through a series of videos, right? This is a course, let's say, and that course is designed to do only one thing, right? And the thing is to shift their beliefs. The entire content, this whole video series, the video training that they got for $3, which has massive value, right? They learned a lot, and as a result, the trust builds automatically and the content shifts their belief. And we break down this wall like this right here. And as you can see, by selling that $3 low ticket offer, we are with all this content, we are actually breaking this trust barrier wall by building that trust and shifting their beliefs. And ultimately, it proves the value of your ultimate solution, which is your high ticket offer that you're selling. And if they have the means to do it, if they have the credit card on their hand, if you are successfully able to shift their beliefs, then yes, they are going to get that $700 high ticket offer, making you massive commissions, right? The resistance which was here is completely gone now. So the hybrid model, the conclusion is that you get the ease of selling a low ticket offer here with the massive ROI of the high ticket commissions. And this system here does all the selling for you. You only need to focus on selling that that $3 offer, right? If you have a coaching business, or if you're into affiliate marketing, if you're into digital marketing, right? If you have a high ticket offer that you want to sell, then create a $3 minor offer with pieces of content that is able to shift beliefs, which will automatically sell your high ticket offer. And if you want to see exactly how this hybrid model is built and how I use this to sell high ticket commission offers, then you need to click that first link in the description, which is a completely free training video, and you will see exactly how to set up this low ticket to high ticket funnel, this pipeline here, so you can stop debating between the low ticket and high ticket and finally focusing on scaling your income. So yeah, click the link below, watch the training, and I will see you there.